Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review a product which is called as VacationMoolah, as you can see. And this product, we will discuss about this product in details, what this product is, how this product is promising to make you, as you can see, $14.8 every time someone decides to go for a vacation. So how it does, how it's gonna pay you, everything we will see in details, and I will give you tons of bonuses from my side as well. Let me just show you briefly what my bonuses are. So as you can see, this is my bonus number 1, this is bonus number 2, and this is my bonus number 3. All these bonuses will be completely yours if you buy this product from my link. And before telling you anything in details, let me make it very clear that if you wanna go and buy this product from the link in the description, which is my link, then I'm gonna get some commissions without you paying anything extra for the product. Why I'm getting this? I'm getting this because I will be referring you to the product creator, and if he gets any sales, then he will gonna incentivize me with some commissions, okay, without you paying anything extra for the product. So with that, now let us start reviewing the product, which is called as VacationMoolah, and we will see everything in detail. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, this product is called as VacationMoolah. Okay, and it is an online hotel booking are expected to reach $1.9 million per day by 2023, and you can set and forget the system that pays us $14.8 every time, $14.8 every time someone decides to go for a vacation. How it is happening, we will discuss everything in details. And already 5 lakh plus free vacation certificates worth this much amount of money. How much it is? 1,000,000 is a lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore. So around 37 crores, 37.5 crore dollars of worth of certificates are given away. Okay. No selling, perfect timing. People were sick of being stuck at home due to travel restrictions that have just ended, so it is your opportunity. Earn more from your comfort zone with zero investment. Explode your profit with zero budget, guaranteed to convert system backed by Oxford Economic report on travel incentives. Discover the 3 secret weapon of the world's smartest marketers. Break through your personal income ceilings. Wow your audience on the internet and make bank. It either works or we send you $300 and 365-day money back guarantee. So they are gonna pay you $300 if it is not gonna work for you, and you are having a 365-day money back guarantee, means you are having a full complete year to check out the product, and if you do not feel so, then you can return the product and get the full refund out of it. Okay, so with that, let us start seeing what the product is. I will also show you this product from inside. This is the VacationMoolah dashboard. Everything we will see inside, how it is, but it will be a little bit later. Okay, and so now let me, before showing you anything in details, let me show you what are the bonuses that you are going to get from my side if you get VacationMoolah from the link in the description. Okay, so this is the bonus page which I created simply for VacationMoolah and only for VacationMoolah. As you can see, I have briefed over the product as well a little bit. Right here is the funnel structure. We will discuss about the funnel as well, and then I am having the bonus number 1, bonus number 2, and bonus number 3. Okay, so if you want to have a fortune on this online world, on this online marketing, then let me make it very clear that the thing that is working very hot right now and very much profitable right now, that is the business of affiliate marketing. What is the affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing means, suppose you have a business, not you but someone else have a business, and he has to sell some product to his customers, his or her customers. And affiliate marketers, what they does is they sell the product on behalf of the business, and they earn commissions when they sell the product to the customers. And that is the work behind affiliate marketing, and that is what very much trending right now. If you can sell other people's products, who are called as vendors or product creators, and if you can sell the product of the product creators, and they will gonna incentivize you with some commissions. So like what I'm gonna get, if you buy this product from me, then I will gonna get some commissions from your purchase, okay, without you paying anything extra. Means the customer paying anything extra for the product, you will not pay anything extra, but the affiliate marketer, that is me, I'm gonna get some commissions out of your purchase. That is how affiliate marketing works, and that is very much trending right now. That is why you can see everything, or most of the people are doing affiliate marketing in a way or different. There are tons of ways to do affiliate marketing, and people are doing different ways of affiliate marketing online right now. So what I'm gonna give you is the way of doing affiliate marketing the proper way. There are tons of ways, and I will show you, not all but most of the ways through my bonus number 1. The bonus number 1 will show you many categories of affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing the proper way. So which I'm going to give you completely for free if you buy this product from the link in the description. Okay, so as you can see, the bonus number 1 right here is $1 million toolbox, 6-figure influx, $200 cash hack, commission blueprint, $2,000 CPA, $300 CPA, the coffee shop method, $500 CPA method, pure profit payday, commission magnet, overnight commissions, instant traffic jacker, commission profit hack, commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, commission glitch. There are 16 affiliate marketing courses that I'm going to give you completely for free. What you need to do is simply click the link in the description, and from that link you will land on this page, which is my bonus page. From this page, if you click on any of these yellow buttons, it says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. If you click on any of these yellow buttons, you will land on the sales page of VacationMoolah, okay, which is this one. So you will land on this page. If you buy VacationMoolah from this page, then from any of these links, it says get instant access to VacationMoolah. So what you will do is you will buy this product, and all the bonuses, the bonus number 1, 2 and 3 will be transferred directly to your account completely for free. Okay, and this is the bonus number 1 which I'm going to give you. Bonus number 2 will be the backbone of affiliate marketing, you can say. It is why the affiliate marketing people are more, means it is the backbone, or you can say it is the reason why people are successful. It is without this, the bonus number 2, people would not have been that much successful, because they could not be able to sell those products to the customers. The proper way of selling, the traffic, the customers, the buyers, how you gonna get the customers, that is the major or primary concern of affiliate marketers, and that concern I'm gonna resolve of yours through my bonus number 2. The bonus number 2 is simply on traffic. You can say traffic, you can say buyers, you can say customers, or whatever you call it. That is what I'm going to give you as my bonus number 2, which is traffic, only and only traffic. As you can see right here, the bonus number 2 is, as you can see, the Fuego breakout, the clones, Fuego multiplier, bang bang profits, 0-hour work days, incognito. All of these are traffic courses. There are 6 traffic courses right here, which I'm going to give you completely for free if you buy the VacationMoolah from the link in the description. Okay, and this is not ended yet. The bonus number 3 which I'm going to give you is completely on making money online. How to make money online the proper way. There are tons of ways of doing this. There are tons of ways you can achieve good amount of money online, and I will gonna give you 9 courses on 9 courses on making money online. There will be various ways how you can make money online through your mobile, through some of it are very much easy. So as you can see right here, let me just show you directly. As you can see, 0-hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory. Then we have the secret weapon, the lost code, Mobile Easy Passive Paydays. All of these are money making courses. You will gonna get to see tons of ways to making money online through this bonus number 3. Okay, all of these bonuses, bonus number 1, 2 and 3, will be completely yours if you buy this product from the link in the description right now. When you're watching the video, kindly go down below and buy this product. Why I'm saying this? I'm saying this because you are having the time before this timer hits 0. Okay, so you're having definitely less time than this timer, because I am recording this video right now and this timer is moving towards 0. So when it hits 0, then I will be not giving you the bonuses. Means I have made the process to be automatic, but still, if there is any problem happens, if you do not get the bonuses, if the page shuts down or whatever it happens, or if anything happens, then it will be solely my responsibility to send all the bonuses to you. I will be responsible to give the bonuses to you directly if you buy this product before this timer hits zero. Okay, so kindly buy this product before the timer hits zero. But even if you fail to do so, then also you will get the bonuses. I will not say the process is completely automatic, but still anything happens, I have misprinted the I have misprinted the address where to find the bonuses, or whatever the case is, any 404 errors or whatever it is, you will get the bonuses from my side if you buy this before this timer hits zero. Okay, so this was all about my bonuses. As you can see, this is my bonus page and this is my bonuses. These are my bonuses. And now let me show you this product a little bit. There is a video which is gonna show you or brief you about the product, which is VacationMoolah, and I'm not gonna play it right now because it will create this video to be very much longer. You can definitely watch the video when you land on this page. And to land on this page, what you need to do is simply click the link in the description. When you click the link in the description, you will land on my bonus page. And when you click this page and when you click on any of these yellow buttons, then you will land on this sales page of VacationMoolah. Okay, so now let us see a little bit what this product is. So this is a new app that makes money every time someone decides to go for a holiday or a vacation. Okay, then users have already generated and given away, as you can see, number of free vacation certificates. And vacation certificate, they have given tons of vacation certificate using this product. So what you need to do is simply get access to this product, then set and forget register username and create a password, and then get paid and receive $14.8 of payment into your PayPal or bank account every time someone goes for a vacation. How this process works, how they are saying this, so there are very much and a lot of details right here in the bonus page, in the sales page, but I'm not gonna go into details of it. You can read it out at your leisure. Definitely what you need to do is simply come on this page. So these are the bonuses that the vendor is giving, that the product creator is giving. Okay, bonus number 1 is 15,000 in 7 days with done for you kit. Bonus number 2 is $300 per day accelerator. Bonus number 3 is free traffic machine. Bonus number 4 is online store weird and profitable niches. Bonus number 5 is $3,000 in 24 hours blueprint. And there is a surprise bonus for 100 buys, first 100 buys. Okay, and okay, so there are tons of bonuses they are also giving you, so you will not be, this is a fair game and this is a win-win game for you, because they are gonna give you tons of bonuses. I'm gonna give you tons of bonuses. They are gonna give you a period of time to test out the product, and if you did not feel the product to be good, then you will return it out and get full refund out of it. So it is completely your choice. What you need to do is, now let me show you the product from inside. This is the interior of this product, which is called as VacationMoolah. This is the explanatory video of this product, which is this one. I'm not gonna play it right now, but this is how it goes. And then the VIP training we have Connect. Connect means you can add a websites, hosting, marketing boost. Now let us go to the website. So if you have a website, then these are all demo websites. And if you have a website, you can download the plugin, download the theme, iframe, add a website. What you need to do is simply buy a website or do stuff like this on this product as well. So you can add a website. Let me just show you how to add a website. You can add a title, you can add an URL, and then you can add the website which you own. Okay, then you have hosting. Let us go to the hosting part. Best web hosting, Bluehost. So if you have an account of Bluehost, if you are having a hosting plan, then you can connect it with this VacationMoolah. Then marketing boost, then we are having the post, and in the post, as you can see right here, the YouTube API key. You can add videos from YouTube. You can add a poster from any saved post or any YouTube post, saved videos, multi-poster, schedule the poster. And if I go to the YouTube API, then all you need to do is simply connect the API integration of YouTube. How to connect it, they have a complete tutorial on it. You can watch it out. You can also serve YouTube videos as well to know how to get the YouTube API key and then attach it with this one. Then we have a poster where you can post. Okay, so let me give you a brief idea what this product is. So you are gonna create a website, online website, where you can show people how to go to vacations. You can brief them about various vacation destinations, and you are having various cards or coupons out there, or flyers, banners out there regarding to vacation packages. And they are gonna, when someone is planning for a vacation, let us say someone is going to means Paris for a vacation, and then they are searching it on Google. They found your website, they searched all everything in details about the Paris and everything. They are also having this poster tab where you can find various posts which are already there on the internet, and you can just click and you can just replicate everything out there into your website. You can just copy, and they are also having a rotator version where you can rotate that post into a unique product, a unique post. Okay, so they are having that feature as well. Now what they are doing is they are creating a website where someone, say A, goes to that website, they search for a Paris tour and they found your website, and A found your website. Then what A serves is where to go to Paris and where to stay, everything in details. And at the bottom of that website, or at the middle of the website, when they are reading about Paris, then they are also finding a package or a coupon or something regarding to vacation on Paris. Then they searched or clicked that link, and they go on another website of any travel agency. They bought the package, and then that travel agency will pay you for your affiliate doing, okay, or for your affiliate deed which you for your affiliate job which you did. Okay, so you are gonna get a commission when someone purchases that product or purchases that package through that link, through your link basically. And that is how the complete system works out right here in the VacationMoolah. That is how, and it is very much profitable, because right now people are going a lot or traveling a lot around on the entire world, and you can place any link or any destination place as you like or as people like. Search on the market and you can get the perfect blog out there, perfect vacation package out there, everything. And it is very much simple to rank these kind of websites on Google. So they will show you everything in details. And then advertise, you can also advertise. They are also having a complete different system, which I'm not going to show you right here, but they are having a completely different systems which will just boost your website on the Google or everywhere else on the internet. Okay, and that is for you. You have to just register and then log into the website through that app, different app. Okay, and it is completely free right here. If you register, you can completely freely register and then send your website to various places. Okay, so I guess this is clear to you with VacationMoolah. And if you have any doubt regarding to this product, which is VacationMoolah, kindly comment down below. I will definitely reply you with any doubt you are having. And if you have any query or whatever it is, kindly comment in the section down below. And I create videos of this sort regarding to various softwares out there which launches every single day, every single week. So definitely kindly consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, press the bell icon. And I create videos of this sort, so kindly visit my and watch my other website or other videos as well. And with another video I'll be back. Till then, take care and bye bye.